coming here, we felt that it was going to be the normal thing people have been doing, where they pile a lot of things for you to go through and a whole lot. This has been demand driven. The issue here is, are people able to grab what are normally discussed during retreats or workshops like this? And we think that this was kept very simple.
I thought this would be more of a training, and we're going to go through the very dry document of the Constitution.
Before the meeting, I was wondering how the workshop was going to be organized. And then coming and then seeing the various charts, the mission, vision, and then the culture, and then you have the programs and the opportunities.
I'm very surprised and very happy that we rather focus on how we are going to do it, how do we want to work together, and what is our culture. So I think this is far more value.
I would say it's excellent. You have given us a point, and then we come out with our own solution, the problem and the solution.
The discussions have been very, very interactive.
Practical, I've seen practical on the ground.
Points to the fact that the group is united to move ahead.
What struck me most is why. It's a question you ask, but yeah, it's like why. But today, after the whole video, like, you now understand why is why.
If I do understand the word why, then I think my problem will be solved.
If you look at what the descriptions on the various things, that tells you we are moving to the why. That is the goal. And that is exactly what we need to work towards. The issue here is we are moving towards the goal. What mechanism are we supposed to use?
This has been an engaging event.
Great program. Surprised.
Very interactive. Very, very insightful.
Great sense of cohesion here.
Today's experience has been an eye-opener.
Informative.
Effective.
Fantastic.
I've been cool around.
We've gotten new ideas, and I think it will be very useful for our institution to also have this kind of knowledge.
As a federation, I think that we should have a growth mindset so that we will grow with our various associations.
Grow FAGE, grow with FAGE.
First and foremost, let me thank Dr. Herman and the rest of my colleagues for coming. I use the word, it's been very insightful, and I think that I wasn't wrong by using that word, because listening to members' excitement, interactive, effective, value, cohesion, excellent, great, surprise, practical, educative. Why? That's the purpose. And also engaging, informative, and all these things tell you it's been very, very insightful. And this has been very practical. It has not been the normal, somebody will come and do a whole lot of presentation and you don't really understand. Demand driven, this is how we wanted it. And I think that the facilitator is just trying to help us achieve a purpose, what we want. I want to thank you for coming. I want to thank GIZ, our cherished partners, of course. They've been with us through thick and thin. They've kept faith with us. And I think that that is the way to go. One promise we can give them is that we are on the verge of changing and rebranding FAGE. Thank you all once again for coming.